Okay, namaste. Today, thank you very much for connecting with us. And now we are going to talk about lingam ball. So lingam ball looks common, normal ball, but in lingam ball we always can find very beautiful center point in the middle. You see, center point in the middle. This is a handmade ball, and they made the central point by hand hammering the ball from behind. You see, they beat the ball like thousands of times with the love and passion, and they make the beautiful form, and it comes outside like this. This is a central point. This is why we call the lingam ball. The lingam ball, it has a beautiful vibration, beautiful sound, and it has a huge power to active all our 7 chakra like tornado. You see, center point and rounding like this way, and they are more powerful than the ordinary ball. If you just place in your body any part, you place here and play the ball, it already start to walk, it already start to move all the chakras by its power, because it is a center point. It's collect all the universal power in the center point and connect to our body like this way, and it start to walk and like tornado like this way. See, and this is why we can feel directly all the chakra is moving, and this is very useful to heal 7 chakra inside our body. You see, and the sound is very, very strong and beautiful. The vibration is very nice. Thank you very much. Namaste.